So I want to come on and share with you. I shared the Christmas decor haul for my sitting room and some other areas. So now I want to show it what I'm going to do for my living room. So I told y'all I went that blush and kind of pinkish, goldish looking color crazy. So I picked up these from, where did I get these from? From Walmart. We were actually in Big Lots. I'm going to show y'all the stuff I got in Big Lots that, y'all got to go to Big Lots. I went to Big Lots like last month, like October sometime, and picked up some stuff. And I just kind of went to Walmart and just kind of filled in some. But look at those. Aren't they pretty? These are so gorgeous. And this was only $10 for this pack of, how many are in here? These are share proof for 30 pieces. I thought these were really cute. And where did I get these from? These came from Walmart as well. So Walmart actually has some really good fillers. These are like that blush, pinkish, goldish color. So you can't tell, the light might not be doing it justice, but it's that blush, pinkish, goldish. And these are glass. But they were so pretty, I had to pick them up. I got some of these gold leaves, and I really am not sure if I'm going to use these or not yet. I had some bronze leaves to go. Y'all already got my tree up in this room in here. And it is gorgeous. I have to show it to y'all. I actually had some bronze leaves, and I don't even know if I even used any on that tree that much. I didn't use a lot. I think I had some silver ones. Anyway, I got these ones here, and they're gold. I just hadn't decided if I'm going to use them yet or not. Y'all, let me show you this now. Walmart. Watch this. Aren't these gorgeous? These pink butterflies. Oh my goodness. So I got them in the pink. I got some of these gold leaves as well to go on the tree. And check this out, y'all. Yeah, I got glitter all over my house. I think glitter been getting in my eyes too, y'all. I got glitter everywhere. Look at these dragonflies. Isn't that dragonfly cute? These were $148. But how cute is that dragonfly? So adorable. So I got like, I don't know, y'all just grab some of these. Here's a butterfly. Gold. I just grabbed like several of these, y'all, and just threw them in the bag and picked them up. Oh, let me show you this other butterfly. Because the butterflies are different. They have like different little designs on them. But for $148, how cute are these? This is more sparkly. But look. They are so cute. Yes. So I got those. I picked up this pack here. Where did I get these? I might have got these from Dollar General, I think. So they just had to, I really picked them up for those sparkly ones there. They were adorable. Now, from Walmart, y'all got to go to Walmart, like, seriously, for all this kind of stuff like this. They just have, like, all different kind of leaves and stuff. So I picked up a bag full of these. These were, I think these ones here was $1. And then I got, if I can get it, like, I don't know how many of these, y'all. These were $148. So I picked up, let me see how much these were. I think they were $1. Yeah, the butterflies were $1. These were $1.48. But aren't these cute? And y'all, I just grabbed the whole bag full of those and the butterflies and just several different bags full. And I got these. Y'all, how cute is this? I got these napkin rings from Big Lots. They have like the blinged out napkin rings. Those are so cute. Let's see. So we're going to stay with Walmart, y'all. But let me show y'all this from Walmart. I got 3 of these. I only bought 2 of these in here. But I was surprised to see these at Walmart for $10. But how pretty are these trees? And they're good quality for $10 a piece. I thought these were gorgeous, y'all. So I picked up 3 of these, child. I probably only needed 2, but they were so cute. Girl, I just couldn't leave. I might put one in the kitchen, and who knows? I don't know. But I'm going to let y'all see what I do with them. But they have the base here. The base is really, really heavy, really sturdy. Well, like I said, for $10, these are a really good deal for $10. Like, seriously. I did pick up this little sign here. It says, "Holy night, the stars are brightly shining. It is the night of our dear Savior's birth." This was cute. I forgot. This was only $2 as well. So I decided to pick this up and I'll hang it somewhere because it's just so adorable. Walmart had these for $5, but yeah, look at those. I thought they were so pretty. And even those, like, these are really some pretty ornaments for like $5. Oh, and let me show you these. Y'all see these? But look at the side of it. $5 for 26 pieces, and I like that these are matte. I like that look. So y'all, let me show you this. This came from Big Lots, and she is so gorgeous, honey. It's probably a he. I don't know, y'all, which one it is, but how pretty is this, though? It's got the gold, it's blinged out on the top there. It got the little fur around the neck. This was $14. But how beautiful. This is probably a guy. It's probably a guy. Because it looks like a guy, right? But it is so gorgeous. Look at the back. Yes. Gorgeous piece. But y'all, I'm telling you, if you're really looking for, Big Lots had like a lot of stuff, and it was so pretty. Some of that stuff was really, really unique. Look at these owls. Oh, y'all see them with the blush pink on them? Aren't they gorgeous? Y'all know how I am about owls. So I picked up, I think I got 2 packs of these. I think I did. These were only $6. But look at the detail on those owls. Oh, they were so cute. So I got those, and I picked up these balls here that I think are just so pretty. Aren't they gorgeous? I'm going to come back and show y'all my tree once I get everything decorated. Child, been decorating. I got so much stuff everywhere. It is just... Oh, I got these. Aren't they pretty? And these are that... I think these are like that blush looking color. But it's like the blush gold. But yeah, these were $6 as well. Their ornaments, the packs were only $6. See, here's the other owl pack. I had to have these. Y'all know how I am about owls. I had to have those. And I picked up these. Aren't these pretty? And like I said, now this was in October that we went. So hopefully, if you're interested, they probably still have some. But this is the last thing that I picked up in that color that I think is absolutely gorgeous. Last year, my color was like rose gold. Kind of like similar to this gold, like the rose gold, like the blush a little bit. So I'm just kind of like adding to it. But oh, y'all see that? This was, how much was this? $16. And I'm probably going to put this, I don't know, probably on my fireplace. But this is so pretty. So it's just presents. That's the top of it. I don't know. It's got little bells on the top. But isn't this gorgeous? Y'all, I fell in love with this piece here, and I just had to pick it up. But those are the things that I'm adding to this year. Like I said, I really had this color going last year in my living room, but I'm just adding like more of the blush pieces. And yeah, so I'm about to get started, y'all, decorating, get my little stuff together in there because I have so much to do. I really did get my sitting room completed. I did that last week, and I really like how it turned out. This one is more kind of like farmhouse glam. Yeah, because farmhouse glam is what I would call it. So girl, let me get on out of here. If you haven't subbed yet, hit the sub button, hang out with your girl, and I will holler back at y'all in the next video. Bye.